What if I told you that the type of fuel inside your car does far more than just keep it moving? It decides how much money you spend at the pump, how powerful your vehicle feels on the road, how long the engine will last, and even how clean or dirty the air you breathe will be. For over a century, petrol and diesel engines have gone head-to-head, each claiming to be the better choice. Today, we're breaking down the real differences between them, so you'll know exactly which one fits your driving style and needs. The story begins with the fuel itself. Petrol, or gasoline as it's known in the United States, is a lighter and more volatile liquid. Diesel fuel is heavier, thicker, and packs more energy per liter. These differences in fuel lead to engines that operate on entirely different principles. Petrol engines use spark ignition. They mix air and petrol together, and a spark plug lights the mixture to produce power. Diesel engines skip the spark plug altogether. They use compression ignition, meaning air is squeezed so tightly inside the cylinder that it becomes scorching hot. And when diesel fuel is injected, it ignites instantly. This fundamental difference defines how both engines perform. Another key factor is compression ratio. Petrol engines usually operate between 8:1 and 12:1. Push them higher than that, and the fuel may ignite too early, creating a knocking problem. Diesel engines, however, are built to handle far greater compression. Their ratios often climb to 20:1 or even higher. The result is better efficiency, and that's one of the reasons diesel engines have such a strong reputation for fuel economy. When it comes to efficiency, diesel takes the lead. A diesel engine squeezes more work out of every drop of fuel, giving it better mileage and making it the go-to choice for long-haul trucks, buses, and heavy-duty equipment. Petrol engines, in contrast, shine in performance and responsiveness. They rev higher, accelerate faster, and deliver a smoother ride, which is why they're often found in sports cars and everyday family vehicles, where refinement matters more than fuel savings. Power and torque further highlight their differences. Petrol engines produce more horsepower at higher speeds, making them exciting for drivers who enjoy quick acceleration and high revving performance. Diesel engines deliver their strength at low revolutions, producing massive torque. That low-end force is what helps tow trailers, haul cargo, and climb steep hills with ease. For heavy lifting, diesel wins, but for speed and agility, petrol has the advantage. Durability is another area where diesel engines often pull ahead. Built with stronger components to withstand intense pressure, many diesel engines can run hundreds of thousands of miles if properly maintained. Petrol engines don't usually last as long, but they are lighter, less expensive to build, and perfectly reliable for normal daily driving. It's a balance between longevity and cost. Speaking of cost, petrol engines are usually cheaper to buy and maintain. Their design is simpler, and spare parts are widely available. Diesel engines, while more durable, require precise engineering and specialized maintenance. Components like fuel injectors and turbochargers can be expensive to repair, making ownership more costly, even if fuel efficiency saves money in the long run. Noise and vibration are another clear difference drivers notice. Petrol engines are smooth and quiet, offering a refined driving experience, especially in cities. Diesel engines, by their nature, are louder and rougher. Modern technology has narrowed this gap with better injection systems and soundproofing, but petrol still holds the edge in comfort and refinement. Price and running costs influence every purchase decision. Petrol-powered cars are usually less expensive at the showroom, but their lower fuel efficiency can add up if you drive long distances. Diesel cars cost more upfront, but their excellent mileage makes them the smarter choice for people who spend a lot of time on highways or use vehicles for work. The deciding factor often comes down to how far and how often you drive. Then there's the environmental impact. Petrol engines release more carbon dioxide, contributing to climate change. Diesel engines, while producing less carbon dioxide, emit nitrogen oxides and tiny particulates that are harmful to human health. Governments around the world have tightened regulations to reduce emissions, and advances in technology have made both fuels cleaner than they once were. Still, the debate continues over which is truly better for the environment. So, which engine deserves the crown? The answer depends on what kind of driver you are. If you value smooth performance, quick acceleration, lower upfront cost, and mostly drive short distances, A petrol engine is the clear winner. But if you need serious pulling power, long-term durability, better mileage, and plan to cover long distances regularly, diesel is the smarter choice. Both have shaped the automotive industry in powerful ways, and even as electric vehicles begin to take over, the debate between petrol and diesel remains a central chapter in the story of transportation.